So to make our Easter egg, we start with a magic ring and we make 6 single crochets inside the magic ring. So we will make 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So round number 2, we'll make 6 increases. So I'll do my first increase here, 2 single crochets in the same stitch. I will place my stitch marker in the first stitch of the increase. I always place in the first one. Some people prefer to put the stitch marker in the last stitch, but I prefer in the first one. And continue making increases in the round, and we'll have 6 increases, 12 single crochets in the end of the round. I finished round number 2, and now on round number 3 we'll make 1 single crochet in every stitch. It means that we'll have 12 single crochets in the end. I'll keep doing them and I'll come back. Round number 4, we'll make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. So I did my first stitch and I'll mark here with the stitch marker, 1 single crochet and 1 increase in the next one. So we keep doing the sequence, 1 single crochet, 1 increase until the end of the round. I finished here round number 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we have 18 single crochets in this round. So now on round number 5 and 6, we'll make 1 single crochet in each stitch. It means that we'll have 18 single crochets on round number 5 and 6. I finished round number 6, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and we have 18 single crochets in the round. So now we are going to do round number 7. I always mark the first stitch, as I told you. I'll make 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 2 single crochets, 2, and 1 increase. We'll keep doing 2 single crochets and 1 increase until the end of the round. So I continued here making 2 single crochets and 1 increase, but when I got to the end of the round, there is still 1 single crochet left. And why did it happen? Because in the beginning we didn't make 2 single crochets and 1 increase. We only made 1 and 1 increase. So there is still this 1 left. You see that if we observe here, we have 2 single crochets and 1 increase. So we complete this single crochet in the round, 1 single crochet, and the reason why I like doing the stitches like this is because we avoid these small triangles when we make 1 increase above the other. So I prefer doing the increases not centralized. So I finished this round here with 24 single crochets in the round. Now we'll make 5 rounds with 24 single crochets in each round. So we are going to increase our Easter egg a little bit with 5 rounds with 24 single crochets in each one. So I'll keep doing the stitches and I'll come back in the end. So I finished here my 5 rounds with 24 single crochets in each one. and we have this cute little cone being formed. Now we are going to start decreasing, and round number 14 we will make 1 single crochet, place the stitch marker in the first stitch, 1 decrease, 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and 1 decrease. So the same way that we did with the increases not being centralized is the way that we are going to decrease now. So 2 single crochets, 1 decrease until the end of the round. As I said, following the same idea that we did in the rounds that we made the increases, there's still 1 single crochet left, and we make 1 single crochet here. Okay, so I finished the round here, and now we can start filling our amigurumi. I have already talked about this in other videos, but I'll say it again. I always like to use this remaining thread to fill my toys. They are very useful. This way we avoid producing more garbage, and they're very useful. They work perfectly to fill the amigurumis, but you can see I have lots of remaining thread. But if you don't like it, that's okay. You can put fiber filling in your toys, and I just say that I like using these ones, and they also make our amigurumis very firm. See how firm and steady it looks? I really like it. So now on round number 14, we'll make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so I'll keep doing 1 single crochet in each stitch, and I'll come back. I finished round 14 here, and in the next one, round number 15, we'll make 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Okay, so I'll keep doing 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, and I'll come back when I finish this round. Round 15 is finished, and I'll put more stuffing. Okay, and you can continue stuffing as you decrease. Okay, stuff as you go. I'll stuff a little bit more here, and round 16, which is also our last round, we'll make 6 decreases. Okay, so I'll make my first decrease here, mark it with the stitch marker, and I'll continue decreasing, and I'll come back in the end of this round. So we finally finished our last round, and we have 6 single crochets here in round 16. So we cut a piece of thread. It can be a medium size, it does not need to be a big one, and let's finish it off. Okay, with the help of a tapestry needle, we'll make the inverted magic ring. For the inverted magic ring, we skip the next single crochet and insert the needle in the front loop of the next one. You see? There's no need to pull too hard the yarn, okay? So skip the next single crochet, insert the hook on the front loop of the next one. Always skip the following stitch and insert the hook in the front loop of the following stitch. make this procedure 3 times, okay? This is the 3rd time that I'm doing it, and now you pull it hard, okay? To finish it off, we come back with the needle in a hole very close to the knot that you formed in this beak, because we don't want this beak in our Easter egg, you see? So insert the needle, and you can come out at any place in your crochet toy. So you pull the yarn again, and you see now we have a round shape in the egg. There is no peak like we had before. And this is our cute Easter egg. To make the invisible knot and finish it off, we can take a loop very close to where the yarn is, like this one. Okay, so insert the needle in this loop, and you'll simply tie a knot like this. Okay, you might say, Bianca, I don't like this knot outside of my crochet piece. This is not beautiful. Hold on, let me teach you. So come back with the hook in the same hole where the knot is, like this, and you insert the needle and also pass this needle through the toy, and you can come out with it at any place in your crochet toy. You see? Can you see the knots there? Pull the yarn and you see that this will disappear. You see? As simple as that. So guys, in this video I taught you how to do the Easter egg, but only with one color. And this is very cute, but you can use as many colors as you want. Okay? So I have another example here. I made this cute one in which I used pink, yellow and blue every 2 or 3 rounds, and I also made slip stitch between every color change just to make it prettier. If you don't know how to create this effect, please let me know here in the comments, because it will be my pleasure to create a tutorial teaching you how to do it. And that's it. See how cute it is? You can use your own imagination and creativity to do as many Easter eggs as you want.